guy works. Imagine that. Can't touch the slide on this. Little observation, these little damn things, if your hand gets up high on it, it takes all the momentum out of that little slide. And it'll cause malfunctions like you just saw happen. So I got to work on keeping my hand down a little bit. So that way it'll run. Jam! Like I said, got to keep that hand off that slide. That's going to be a huge training issue right there.